Wonder what you pretend you are when you run. Bandana on your head, your face is turning red. You throw it down to the ground when you are done. And I'll think of you when the blue bonnets bloom. When the blue bonnets bloom, I will think of you. You always seem to make me laugh when you ask me what is that 1,000,000 times. And you know, little things that you do, the other things that get me through. And I'm up to my hips in snow, and I'll think of you when the blue bonnets bloom. When the blue bonnets bloom, I will think of you. Another night I'm working hard, another night, another bar, 1,000,000 miles out of touch. Say your prayers and say my name, keep it fresh on your brain. Don't forget that I love you this much, and I'll think of you when the blue bonnets bloom. When the blue bonnets bloom, I will think of you. It's 2010 now, and I'm still the same old son of a bitch in the wind. Act like I did back when I was a kid, but it hurts more than it did back then. I go out on the town, make a fool of myself. I run around with the same rowdy friends. I get drunk and obnoxious, and wake up the next day swearing I'm never drinking again. My grandma still tells me enough is enough. Life ain't a game, boy, it's time to grow up. Well, maybe next year I'll start acting my age, turn a new leaf over my wicked ways, get a real job, start pulling my weight. Only 365 days until I change my ways. Dressed like a slob, I never tuck in my shirt, I let it hang over my baggy jeans. An old baseball cap on the top of my head with the logo of my favorite team. Still got the same dirty mouth that I've had since my first cousin taught me to cuss. Now I just quit my 9-to-5 occupation to play a whole bunch of songs I made up. Yeah, I'm a big old kid, I ain't ashamed. When the time comes, I know I can change. Well, maybe next year I'll start acting my age, turn a new leaf over my wicked ways, get a real job, start pulling my weight. Only 365 days until I change my ways. Maybe next year I'll stop blowing all of the cash, start working out and get off my ass. Maybe next year I'll quit putting off all the chores. Maybe next year I'll visit my grandparents more. Maybe next year I'll go back to church and repent. Maybe next year I'll pick up my Bible again. I ought to straighten up, and there's no better time than now to kick all the habits that are bringing me down. Maybe next year I'll stop singing the blues, and maybe next year I'll start telling the truth. Maybe next year I won't stay drunk all the time. Maybe next year I'll have a little more peace of mind. Maybe next year I won't be so sad when I'm alone. Maybe next year, maybe next year. Heading down south to the land of the pines, and throw my way to North Carolina. Staring up the road, pray to God I see headlights. I made it down the coast in 17 hours, picking me a bouquet of dogwood flowers, and I'm hoping for rally I can see my baby tonight. So rock me, mama, like the wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. Rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me. Running from the cold up in New England, I was born to be a fiddler in old time string band. My baby played the guitar, pick the banjo now. Them North Country winners keep forgetting me, Lord. Lost my money playing poker, so I had to up and leave. But I ain't a turning back, living that old life no more. So rock me, mama, like the wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. Rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like the southbound train. Hey.